How to save pictures from Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And say for example, I wanted to download this picture right here. All what you need to do is simply click on the three dots at the top right of the screen and then click on download image from these options. And as you can see, the image has been downloaded. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download or save any pictures or photos from the Pinterest app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, as usual, I'll see you in the next video.